welcome to all. This is E. Akalya from Department of Food Service Management and Dietetics, Kaveri College for Women, Autonomous, Trichy 18. In this section, we will discuss nutritional classification of foods. Before that, we know about food. Food is any substance, liquid or solid, consumed to provide nutritional support for an organism. Food is usually of plant or animal origin and contains essential nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Nutritional classifications of food. Foods are classified according to their functions in the body. One is energy yielding foods. Second one is bodybuilding foods. Third one is productive foods. Coming to the energy yielding foods, this group includes foods rich in carbohydrate, fat and protein. 1 gram of carbohydrate should give 4 calories and 1 gram of protein should give 4 calories, but 1 gram of fat should give 9 calories. It is more than carbohydrates and proteins. They may be broadly divided into two groups. One is cereals, pulses, roots and tubers. Another one is pure carbohydrates like sugars and fats and oils. Cereals provide, in addition to energy, the greater part of the proteins, certain minerals and vitamins in the diets. Pulses also give protein and B vitamins besides giving energy to the body. Roots and tubers also provide energy, some amount of proteins, minerals and vitamins, while pure carbohydrates like sugars provide only energy and fats provide concentrated source of energy. Coming to the bodybuilding foods. Foods rich in proteins are called bodybuilding foods. This may be broadly divided into two groups. One is milk, egg, meat and fish. They are rich in proteins of high biological value. These proteins have all the essential amino acids in correct proportion for the synthesis of body tissues. Another one is pulses, nuts and oil seeds. They are rich in protein but may not contain all the essential amino acids required by the human body. Productive foods. Protection and regulation. Foods rich in proteins, vitamins and minerals have regulatory functions in the body. Examples of regulation functions are maintain the heartbeat, water balance, temperature. Productive foods are broadly classified into two groups. One is foods rich in vitamins, minerals and proteins of high biological value. Example, milk, egg, fish and liver. Another one is foods rich in minerals and vitamins only. Example, green leafy and other vegetables and some fruits. Coming to the conclusion of this session is classify the foods based on their functions. Energy yielding foods are rich in carbohydrate and fat. Bodybuilding foods are rich in proteins. And productive and regulatory foods are rich in vitamins and minerals. Thank you.